Good morning, everyone. We're here at the Grillin Greeks in Coburg. The sun is out. We have an event today. Kicks off at about 11 o'clock. We've got a few early birds here today. So, 11 o'clock today, Grillin Greeks in Hossack Avenue in Coburg. It goes on all day. Kicks off at 11. Come on down. You can grab some souvlaki, proper souvlaki. That's it there, Grillin Greeks. Here are some of the cars that are already here. A lot of tough cars, some great people. We have Mobile Coffee Boss. Dimmy is here dishing out the coffees. There's plenty of car spots. We've got the car park next door. And then we've also got the street as well. There will be plenty of movement today. So there will always be a car spot. All right, Grillin Greeks, guys. So they are open during the week as well. Come on down. All right, we're doing a live feed. How we going, boys? Are we ready for today?
Ready.
That's it. Beautiful. The team is there, busy working. That's all. All right, guys. So, what are your hours during the week? Tell me. Wednesday to Sunday, 11 till 9. All right. Now, you guys are on Uber as well? That's it. Beautiful. All right, guys. So, if you can't get here today, you can always support the boys during the week as well. They are on Uber. Now, we are going to have a look behind. Is that all right, boys? All right. So this is their kitchen, yeah? They're busy working away, getting ready for today. All right, look at that. They have the coals. All right, Master Chef is there. Getting the souvlaki ready. Look at that.
Everything ready.
Look at that. If you guys are here, you can smell these beautiful meats. What better breakfast would you want? Look at that. On the coals. It is so nice and warm here. It's beautiful. Huh? Like a work of art. All the salads are ready. These guys do meats, chicken. They've got the souvlaki. They've got the lucamades. They've got the calamari. They've got everything here that you guys will want. All right, we've got drinks. So this is their menu. All right, gyros, meat, open plates, salads. You've got all the sides here. They've got zucchini chips, fritters, halloumi sticks, saganaki, calamari, dips, salads, desserts, everything, guys. So come on down today from 11 o'clock onwards. Bring your classic. If you can't bring your classic, that's fine. We've got Bad Santa right there. Got the boys. How are we going with the food, all right? Yeah, love it? Beautiful. Oh, how good are they, huh? Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Come in, grab something to eat. Support local business, yeah? We've got a little bit of media here today as well. We've got Tub City Melbourne. We've got Aussie Car Garage. Karchik Medi will be rolling up in a little while. And a few of the other photographers, yeah? It's pretty chill. Everyone just hanging around, having a chat. Get some beautiful cars as well. Like I said, yeah, if you can't bring your classic, just come on down and enjoy the community get together. That's what it's about. So Grillin Greeks, yeah, Hossack Street or Avenue in Coburg North, right next to the Australian Meat Company. So we'll have a look at some of these cars here. XY VLs. So guys, Grillin Greeks, North Coburg. They're open Wednesday to Sunday, 11 till 9. Come and support the guys. It's a nice little SS here, LS3. Get the Simmons on there. Charger as well. Alright guys, I've got a bit of merch today too. We've just released the soft shell jackets, which are windproof and waterproof. You can have a look on our website for the full range of Northern Girl merch. There's heaps on there. You've got bucket hats, we've got caps as well, different styles of caps. Got little doggy bandanas. There's a whole heap of all different stuff as well. Not your normal merch. So have a look up northerngal.com.au. Alright, this is Bill's little beast here. Rat roller. Love this car. It's done heaps to it. It's really cool. Got a whole bunch of stickers. Look at the colour of this thing. Alright, Mobile Coffee Boss is here, dishing out the coffees. Alright guys, Mobile Coffee Boss, you guys need a coffee van? There's their number, you can screenshot that, give Dimmy a call. He's a reliable guy, he's actually really quick and his coffees are good. There we go, there's Dim there. Hey, how we going Theo? Alright. Sylvie's Corvette. This thing's an absolute beast. Got some bikes rolling up. So it's a little meet today, guys. Nothing too off the charts. But you can still have a look at some amazing cars, yeah? Look at this thing. Oh, look at that. A lot of work's gone into this thing. It's amazing. Check it out. Hey guys, pretty chill. Everyone's relaxed, getting along, having a chat. Hey guys, this thing's for sale as well if anyone is interested. Here is the number. It's pretty worked. How we going? Good. So we've got the other car park next door as well, and we've also got the street too, guys. So come on down. We're going to be here all day, so you are welcome to come till about 9 o'clock tonight if you want to. But the main event kicks off at about 11 today. Alright guys, Grillin Greeks, Coburg, come on down. Bring the family, grab something to eat, support local business, yeah? That's what it's about. It's about everyone getting out, enjoying. Tub City's over there, check out his page, give it a subscribe. Morning, how are we going, alright? Hey Wally, how are ya? We've got the XA here today as well. Morning. How we going? A few cars you haven't seen before, which is good. That's nice. Very clean. Got the fair lane as well. These fair lanes are coming into fashion, I've noticed. Quite a few fair lanes are getting around. It's good, nice and lowered a bit. Nice. Good morning, how we going?
Chilly.
Bit chilly, it's alright, rug up, I got my beanie on.
Yeah, that's it.
It is a little bit fresh this morning, guys, that's fine. Just wear a jacket and a beanie. It's not raining. Everyone's seen Wally's car. Eric's here as well, and he's Statesman. Seen Theo's. This is tough. Alright, you know what we'll do? Let's go do this other car park here. So yeah, it kicks off at 11 o'clock today, guys. Come on down. Car Chick Media's here. Hey, how we going? Morning. Alright guys, I'll be posting these up on YouTube a little bit later on this week as well. So just check out Northern Gal on YouTube for all the videos. I've got a heap of stuff from Cooley Rocks on there as well. Heaps of stuff to post. That'll be continuously going up. So give Northern Gal on YouTube a subscribe as well. Check out for some more footage. We should get these cars maybe to move back one, and then we can put some more cars in front, I reckon. Just put in the middle like that. Oh guys, so Grillin Greeks, Hossack Avenue in Coburg. Alright guys, Grillin Greeks. Wednesday to Sunday, 11 till 9. They're on Uber Eats, come on down. If They've got heated eating area. Bit of a car show on today, just give them a bit of a hand. All right, enjoy your weekend. If you do pop in, come and say hi.